This happens when you use silver foil in washing machine. Home laundry secrets. Silver foil, the laundry secret. Silver foil or aluminum foil has many uses, and it is most commonly used for wrapping foods or cooking by preventing food from burning. However, silver foil has another use that may even surprise you. Yes, you heard right. You can use silver foils in laundry for washing clothes. Sometimes when doing the laundry, there can be a buildup of static charge on clothes. This can result in the appearance of dust particles on washed clothes. When this happens with your laundry, there is a way to deal with this by inserting some rolled up balls of silver foil to remove the static charge. This can be especially useful when dealing with wool, cotton, or socks, which sometimes have the tendency to collect little pieces of fabric due to the static charge buildup on the clothes. When used properly, washing your clothes with silver foil can remove almost 95% of static charge and will help your clothes collect less dust particles. Other laundry uses for silver foil. Silver foil can also be used in the dryer to absorb static charge and can also act as a more environmentally friendly alternative to fabric softeners. Here are some advantages of using silver foil in the washing machine as opposed to typical fabric softeners. Healthier for you. No more toxic chemicals on your clothes. More environmentally friendly. Fewer dryer sheets in landfill or plastic bottles from fabric softeners. Aluminum is very easy to recycle. Cost cutter. The balls can be reused and are far cheaper than fabric softeners or dryer sheets. No dust particles will attach to clothes due to static charge. There are many ways to cut costs and go green. Simple items like apple cider vinegar, baking soda, silver foil, and sea salt have a variety of different uses. There is often no need for an expensive chemical solution that is harsh for your body and bad for the environment. One potential disadvantage of using aluminum foil as opposed to a fabric softener is that the clothes might not feel as soft as you're used to. This will be more noticeable with smaller items than larger ones.